How's it going? Today we are learning how Google can remember stuff for us. Alright, here's the first thing you're going to do. On most Android devices, you can tap and hold the home button to launch the assistant, or go ahead and say, "Okay, Google." Next thing, say or type what it is you want it to remember. Begin with the word remember. When you're done speaking or typing what you want it to remember, the assistant will respond with, "Okay, I'll remember that." Here are some examples. Remember that my passport is in the top drawer. Remember that Henry's birthday is on Monday. Remember that my book is in the trunk. And finally, ask about what you need. When you need to recall what you told Google to remember, launch your assistant by saying, "Okay, Google," and say or type your question. The assistant will reply with an answer as well as the date on which you provided information. Here are some different ways to ask. "Okay, Google, where is my passport?" "Hey, Google, when is Henry's birthday?" And that is it. Thanks.